That right there, nail puller. You hit it at the top of its head over there, right? You pull it out. So, you can either strike it with a hammer, hit it on top to use that end, or behind it to use that end, and pull the nail.
If you're going to remove a nail with a nice puller, such as this,
Okay.
you'll start the hammering process about a 1/16 from the nail. As it dives in, it'll scoop the back of the nail.
So, show that to them, please, Beth.
If you right on top of the nail when you hammer it, it's just going to bend the nail head down.
Okay, so I'll show you how she does this. She's gonna find one. She's gonna give it a wacky doodle. Give it a whack, sister. See what she does? Let's get it close up. She just taps that in behind it. There you go, and then she starts pulling it. And then she uses her hand.
And then,
Yeah. That's why we have to wear glasses. Okay, she's just pulling them out. Watch what she does. She starts about a 1/16 of an inch
1/16
up
to an
off,
eighth, yeah.
up off that nail, and watch what she does.
kind of diving in at roughly about a 45-degree angle but to get behind that nail fin head.
See that coming out real nice?
Yeah.
Give her a wacky
Okay.
doodle, sister. There you go, y'all.
If you start right on the nail head, sometimes it just dents in the nail head and doesn't
Kinda
get
pushes
behind
it,
it.
yeah.
So, just
So she's going to pull out the
Practice.
nails all the way around the flange, the window, right? Because it's nailing in the flange or the fin.
now when you do this way, because these are only half-head nails, it doesn't work as well. But I can't get behind there like that very well, so
I'm going to have to do it sideways.
that's what happens. That's what happens when you get too close to it. And you start tearing
got
up
it.
your siding.
So y'all see what she meant? It's a half-head nail they shot in rather than manually hammered in, so they used a gun, a nail gun, to get that in. Because it's half-head, she had to be careful in starting this way. You prefer to start on the top because you get a better pull, and the nail puller goes around the entire head of that. That's bigly and that's a lottie. Safety glasses, y'all. Safety glasses, don't ever forget those when you're working with wood. So you see the wood fly off. I'll bore you with the story. I've had 3 eye injuries and I don't want another one. Keep that half head there. If I can't get a nail out, I don't look for another tool. I look for my sister. She can get just about any fashion. So she's coming in with the opposite side of the nail puller. Taking that, lifting enough to then bring in the big bird and get it out. Big bird being the hammer in this case. Good job. Now y'all, she's just going to work around getting those out, but that's how you do that.